Kia ora, my name is Zane and I'm the first male nursing graduate from the Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi Bachelor of Health Sciences and Māori Nursing program. I started my journey on the Bridging to Nursing program at Te Whare Wānanga in 2015. I then went on to the Bachelor of Health Sciences and Māori Nursing program, which I've now completed and I'm awaiting graduation. I chose Awanuiarangi as my institute to study because it was local. I was able to stay local, I was able to stay at home. Also, I'd already completed the Bridging to Nursing program. It put me in a good position to go straight into the Bachelor of Health Sciences and Māori Nursing program at the Wānanga. For me, as a Pākehā, immersing myself in an environment with a lot of Māori culture, Māori history and health has really increased my ability to develop relationships with my patients who are Māori, and it really makes establishing that therapeutic relationship with my patients a lot easier, and I feel that is a priceless asset to have as a nurse. Now I'm here and I'm about to start my registered nurse career, so I'm happy and I'm thankful for all the support I got along the way.